there's a buzz. There's like people are up walking around, there's talking, there's collaboration. Nobody sleeps in a marketing class at Post University. Hi, I'm Art Mollengarden, and I'm the program chair of the undergrad marketing program here at Post University. At the Malcolm Baldrige School of Business in Post University, we have a pledge that says that we really maximize student success through giving extraordinary educational experiences. And it's not just some very learned person standing in front of the classroom spewing out facts and figures and concepts. It really is making connections. Being a marketer at heart, we really look for what kind of a competitive advantage do we have in our program. One way is we really have a lot of hands-on instruction. My instructors bring their research to the practical applications that we've designed into the courses. Some people say that Post is the best kept secret in higher education because it is such a high level of professionalism, of care and concern for each other and for the students. And you feel that. It's almost a tangible feeling that you experience when you walk through the hallways of main campus and of course in the classrooms.